Pwede ba akong makakuha ng direct line sa Upwork kahit hindi ako nagbabayad ng Connects? The answer is, hi guys, this is Yas. I'm a full-time mom and a full-time VA. So, big question, makakapag-apply ka ba or makakakuha ka ng direct line sa Upwork kahit wala kang Connects? The answer is yes. So, for today's video, I will teach you how to do that technique na ginagamit ko when I was applying as a beginner VA. At doon ko nakuha sa Upwork yung first ever client ko. Make sure guys to finish this video and save it for later para malaman mo kung paano yung technique na yan. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so kunwari nandito na kayo. Click nyo yung best matches. Type nyo lang virtual assistant. And then search for virtual assistant jobs na alam nyo kaya nyo. So, let's say ito. Basahin nyo lang yung job description. And then if you think kaya nyo yan, qualified kayo for the job, click nyo lang yung heart button sa taas or yung save button sa baba. Do the same thing. Hanap pa tayo. Sige. Ito. So, open natin to. Basahin natin yung job description. And then, again, if you think na kaya nyo yan, qualified kayo for the job, click nyo yung save button or yung heart button sa taas. So, gawin nyo lang yun guys for 5 to 10 times daily for a couple of weeks. Wala na kayong ibang gagawin. Yun lang. Hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng Connects.
Okay, so ano mangyayari pag ginawa nyo yung technique na yan for 5 to 10 times daily for 2 weeks? It will help you train the algorithm of Upwork na pag si client naghahanap ng virtual assistant, mapupunta yung profile mo sa top of the list. Kasi alaman na ni Upwork na, oh, ito virtual assistant to, pwede rin yan sa social media manager, sa lead generation, kahit sa anong job role. Basta make sure lang na gawin nyo siya consistently daily for 5 to 10 times a day for a couple of weeks. Pinaka the best is 2 weeks. Okay? So, hopefully nakatulong. Save nyo tong video na to for future reference tungkol sa pag-apply as a virtual assistant. Yun lang guys. Bye!